Hello, Chef Maya DiCiano from Trig's Market, serving the Northwoods of Wisconsin. Today I'm on site at Renard's Cheese, a fourth-generation artisan cheese producer in Sturgeon Bay, Wisconsin. I'm here today to introduce you to our Wisconsin Cheese of the Month for December. It is Cloverleaf Reserve. The Cloverleaf Reserve is a blend of Renard's award-winning white cheddar with an Alpine-style Gruyere. This creates a sharp flavor with delicate, nutty caramel notes. Chris, thanks so much for taking the time to meet with me today. At Renard's Cheese, it truly is all in the family. This is a fourth-generation cheese producer where Chris has been perfecting his father and grandfather's recipes with his wife Ann, co-owner, as his business partner. And now with your eldest daughter, Samantha, coming back into the fold, back into the business, it will now be a fourth generation, and you will just continue to build on the legacy of Renard's. So tell me a little bit about the blend that we're talking about today, the Cloverleaf Reserve. So it started with your white cheddar, which you've won many awards for, correct?
Yes. It's our cheddar cheese. That's the main base of it, and then we blended the Gruyere in through cultures. We wanted to get the Gruyere. Gruyere is a very rich Alpine style cheese, and it blends really well with the cheddar. So we mixed that together and came up with it. That cheese is minimum of 8 months old when we sell it.
Awesome. It's aged for 8 months. And what is it aged? Is it just aged in open air, or is it wrapped in a cloth, or how is it aged?
It is a cloth style cheese. It's not an open air, we actually seal it, but it is a managed style cheddar and Gruyere blend. It's made in a wheel, and we age it that way.
Awesome. Thanks. So I selected the Cloverleaf Reserve as our feature for the month of December because it makes an elegant addition to a holiday cheese and charcuterie plate, which pairs very well with a buttery Chardonnay or a plummy, spicy Merlot. The blend of cheddar and Gruyere makes an excellent addition to a cheese fondue, perfect for winter entertaining. Simply dipping some crusty French bread or apples. It's great for any kind of winter gathering. It also will elevate any of your favorite vegetable gratin, mac and cheese recipe to a whole new level. What are some of your family favorites to do with the Cloverleaf Reserve?
The mac and cheese is one of the greatest things you can add to it. It really brings out the flavor of the Gruyere and the cheddar, and the mac and cheese, the sharp cheddar. It's wonderful. Great on sandwiches. Fondue is a family favorite. We've done that with our family and my sister's family. We've gotten together. The fondue is one of the highlights.
It's a great thing to gather around the table with.
It is.
So selecting these cheeses of the month is one of the favorite things I do in my job, because I get to come up with all these fun, creative things to do with the cheese. And now I'm getting hungry talking about all this. So I say we dig in and try a little. I think I'm going to try some fondue.
Excellent.
Yes. That Gruyere really makes it pop. One of my favorite things to do in the winter in front of the fireplace, just a little fondue and a glass of wine, and I'm good to go. Happy holidays. Happy holidays.
Happy holidays.